Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Salads can be relished anytime, but in the summers, they taste divine. Today, let's see how to make a nutritious black rice salad. Here I have boiled 250 grams of black rice. I basically pressure cookered it with a lot of water and a little bit of salt, and I drained the water. Now I'm going to add a cup of boiled peas to this, a cup of boiled corn niblets, a cup of red bell peppers chopped, yellow and green. See how colorful our salad is already looking. Just mix this. You can add other vegetables of your choice as well, broccoli, French beans, but just boil them or blanch them and use them. Now let's make the dressing for this. I have taken one medium-sized onion which I have minced. We'll add that in a bowl. Half a teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of sesame seed oil, some salt to taste, and some pepper. Let's mix this well. And I'm going to slowly drizzle about 4 tablespoons of olive oil in this. And I'm going to keep whisking it because I want the oil to completely get mixed with the dressing. Let's add a teaspoon of vinegar to this and a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now let's whisk this well. Now in the salad, we're going to sprinkle some pepper and salt, very little salt. Remember, you've already put salt in the dressing. Let's add the dressing. Mix this well. Let's garnish this with some freshly chopped coriander. Mix this well. And our black rice salad is ready to be served. Let's remove this in a serving bowl. You saw what an easy recipe this is. You can add meats of your choice to this, vegetables of your choice as well to this. And just try this, let me know. And if you want me to show you any other recipes of salads, do let me know. Keep watching Get Curried.